Welcome, it's Mary Ellen McGonagle with your Daily 5 for Tuesday, September 14th. And for those of you not familiar, I do have quite a bit of experience both on and with Wall Street for over 15 years. I was with William O'Neill and Company, where I worked with portfolio managers and analysts, teaching them that O'Neill methodology. And I bring that up because Bill O'Neill was the founder of Investors Business Daily, and much of my work is centered around the methodology that captures stocks, big winning growth stocks, just before they take off. And 5 years ago, I started my own firm, MEM Investment Research, that's now being powered by Simpler Trading, where I'm the managing director of stocks. I do also have a top performing newsletter, MEM Edge Report. I have a special offer at the end for you to trial that biweekly report for 4 weeks, so stick around for that. And also, I will be appearing on Thursday at Investing with IBD on their podcast. There is a link to that below as well for those that would like to receive a recording. So let's get started with today. I'm going to share with you some information, and this is from Bill O'Neill's best-selling book, How to Make Money in Stocks. And one of the primary principles, this is one of the primary drivers from my work, and it is a fact that was founded on many, many years of studying those top performing stocks, looking for common characteristics. And one fact within that study that came out is that a majority of leading stocks, these are going to be your big winners, they are in what are called leading industry groups. In other words, industry groups that are outperforming the broader markets. And statistically, 37% of a stock's price movement is directly tied to the performance of that industry group that a stock is a part of, and then 12% is due to the strength in the overall sector that that industry group is a part of. So overall, roughly half of your stock's move is attributable to the industry that it's a part of. So from here, I'm going to share with you current strength as far as the broader markets. We're looking at a view of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500 going back over the last 3 months, and we can see that technology has been a clear-cut outperformer over the last 3 months. And this is something that my MEM Edge report did pick up on. And then from there, you will want to be able to uncover the underlying strength within technology. So here we are looking at the sub-industry groupings in tech, again going back over 3 months from the close today. Computer hardware is up here in the forefront. A good majority of that is Apple stock. It's a very heavily weighted, and despite last week's fall in Apple, it has been a big winner over the last 3 months. From here, software stocks, another big top performer. And today I'm going to be focusing on semiconductors and some of these top stocks in there that I'd like to share with you. My MEM Edge report does have a number of top performing and still have more upside within that software space. So let's go ahead within semiconductors and take a look at this first stock here. It is called Brooks Automation. It's BRKS is the ticker symbol, a little bit of a smaller market cap stock. However, they do provide semiconductor equipment for the life sciences industry, which has been quite strong of late. And we can see that BRKS last week reversed this recent downtrend, and in so doing, it broke back above each of these simple moving averages. I have a green 5-day, a purplish 21-day moving average, and most importantly is this red 50-day simple moving average. And when it broke back above that, and then you can marry a positive RSI as well as a moving average, convergence, divergence turning positive as well. These are two momentum indicators. Equally important is the fact that this downtrend reversal took place on a very big price upgrade from a major Wall Street firm. They upgraded their price target from 115 to 146. The stock's trading at 92 right now. So from here we can take a look at another semiconductor stock, and they are in the manufacturing area within semis. And this is Taiwan Semi, TSM is the ticker symbol. Another one that has more recently had a downtrend reversal. This company is the largest manufacturer of chips. This recent malaise in the stock is because the company is putting quite a bit of capital toward creating new facilities to manufacture semiconductor chips, so their capital is being deployed there. However, we can see this big gap up here, and it did take place on big volume. Also news related, the company announced that they will be increasing the price of their semiconductor chips going into next year, which will most certainly help their revenues, and earnings and sales are the primary driver of a stock's big move. We did participate, MEM Edge report, in this big move here, up 111% during this big growth spurt. So more recently now, we have reversed this downtrend. We have what's called a golden cross, when this short-term 10-day moving average breaks back above these longer-term moving averages, and now the stock is finding support at the upward trending 10-day with your RSI and MACD both in positive territory. And also critical, when these stocks reverse downtrends, you want to see big volume. This volume is telling you that investors want in, and it is often foretelling of further upside. Next up is KLA Corp, KLAC, another big winner for us back here. But let's take a look at the current action. The stock is super close to breaking out of a 6-week base. The stock also had a price target increased up to $398. It's currently trading at $355. But let's take a look at the outside momentum indicators. The RSI is trending upward in positive territory. Your MACD had that nice black line up through the red, a positive signal heading higher. And the company's on track for 32% in the way of earnings growth. They're into their year 2022 already, but nice growth perspectives for this stock as well. And then we also have, I'm sharing with you, a very small cap company. It is $164 million, and I'm pointing that out to you because these smaller stocks will have an inherent volatility in them. But ASYS caught my eye because it does have the ability to really skyrocket as far as upside momentum, a lot of it based on earnings. So let's take a look at the more recent action here. We can see that the company had a very significant move last Friday, and from there it gained upon that. All news driven again. The company did report record bookings for August, which in turn, of course, will translate into strong earnings and sales. Your outside momentum indicator, RSI, trending upward, and your MACD also in positive territory. From here, I did want to share a longer term chart with you. This is a weekly chart of ASYS. Oftentimes these weekly charts can really give you further insight as far as the long-term outlook. And ASYS, here's that move that we saw, and this is last week's bar. We can see this MACD black line up through the red, that positive signal, just now taking place from a very low level. Historically, that is very bullish. We can also see that the RSI is trending upward as well. So on the longer term picture, the outlook for ASYS is also positive. So I talked to you about a special offer. You can use the link below to get a 30-day trial of this my biweekly report for $7. You can use this offer, $7 offer, and you'll be able to go ahead and receive this report immediately, as well as back issues. In the report, you will receive detailed analysis of the broader markets, also that sector strength that I've been reviewing today, and then those stocks poised to benefit from the strength within that area of the markets. Take care, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time, and thanks for watching your Daily 5.
Hey, Grayson Rose here with StockCharts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider giving it a like down below, maybe leave us a comment, and if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the link up above. We're gonna bring you daily content from an incredible collection of technical analysts and financial experts.